Climate change is driven by excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. But what if we could capture carbon dioxide before it reaches the air? That's the promise of advanced carbon capture technologies. Carbon capture works in two main ways: capturing emissions directly from industrial sources or pulling carbon dioxide from the air using direct air capture. Once captured, the carbon dioxide is compressed into a liquid state for transport and storage. Captured carbon dioxide is stored underground in rock formations, preventing it from re-entering the atmosphere, but it doesn't stop there. Carbon dioxide can also be reused, turned into concrete fuels or even carbon-based products, adding value while reducing emissions. Scaling these technologies is critical. While existing projects remove millions of tons of carbon dioxide annually, we need billions to meet climate goals. Cost, energy requirements, and public awareness are key challenges, but innovation is making solutions more accessible every day. Carbon capture is a vital tool in our fight against climate change. Let's support innovation and push for a sustainable future. Subscribe for more on climate solutions.